All right, so this is question number 8, which is 8.3.19 on the Chapter 8 individual assignment. And so I'll just get to it, I guess. So it says construct a 98% confidence interval to estimate the population mean when X bar is 56 and S is 13.2 for the sample sizes below. So I'm just going to start with what I know. I know my confidence interval. I'm sorry, I'm just gonna, I'm gonna do my alpha. Alpha is 1 minus the confidence level. So if I have a confidence level of 0.98, my alpha is 0.02. And then my X bar, which is my sample mean, is 56. And my S, which is my sample standard deviation, is 13.2. And then my N, which is my sample size, is going to be different for each one, but we'll start with the first one, which is 23. So I can use the function confidence dot t to find the confidence interval. And the reason I have to use confidence dot t is because I don't know the population standard deviation. So if you remember, the t distribution is just a wider, broader distribution than a normal distribution, which means we're introducing some error into there because we don't know the population standard deviation. So instead, we're using the sample standard deviation to approximate the population standard deviation. So we'll use the t distribution. So confidence dot t alpha, comma standard deviation, which is our S, and size, which is N. This will give us the confidence interval. And then to find the lower limit, we will just take the mean X bar minus the confidence interval. And to find the upper limit, we'll take X bar, or the mean, plus the confidence interval. And that will give us our range. So for an N of 23, our lower limit should be 49.1 and our upper should be 62.9. Now that we've built our calculator, all we have to do is change the value of N. On the second one, it's 35. So now we'll see that our range is 50.55 and the upper is 61.45. We'll notice that as our N increases, as our sample size increases, our sample size increases, our confidence interval gets more and more narrow, meaning we become more and more confident, or not more and more confident, we're the same level of confidence, but we're narrowing the range that we're confident that the population mean will fall in. 52.09 and 59.91. So I hope that was helpful, and good luck on the rest of the homework assignment.